If you own a business generating over $1 million in revenue per year and you're thinking about selling, you need the right broker to get the best deal possible. Selling a business isn't just another transaction, it is a once and a lifetime decision that impacts your financial future. The right broker can maximize your valuation, streamline the process, and connect you with serious pre-qualified buyers who understand the value of what you've built. But not all brokers are created equal. Some overpromise and underdeliver, others charge excessive fees, and many lack the experience needed to negotiate a deal that truly benefits you. That's where Wire Daily comes in. We take the guesswork out of the process by providing expert business broker reviews, in-depth comparisons, and valuable industry insights so you can choose the best broker for your specific goals. With brokers that specialize in over 17 industries and a network of 20,000 plus pre-qualified buyers, your business sale can be faster, smoother, and more profitable. To help you get started, we're offering a free business valuation guide, a must-have resource that walks you through how to find the right broker, what your business is really worth, and how to maximize your exit strategy. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment right now to grab your free guide and start your selling journey the right way. Now, let's dive into today's topic. This is Melania from Wire Daily. Let's get started.
Thinking about selling your veterinary practice, whether you are retiring or ready for the next adventure, selling your business requires the right strategy. Let's break it down step by step to get the best possible deal. Stick around for the expert tips that will help to navigate this complex process. If you want more business advice videos, hit that like button and subscribe this channel. To start, you need a solid evaluation of practice. Buyers will look closely at the key factors including revenue from pet care services, medicines, and diagnosis, client-based loyalty and recurring appointments, specialized services like surgeries, emergency care, and exotic animal treatment, location and facility condition, your practice reputation in the community. Engage a professional with experience involving veterinary practices to an accurate price point. Next, you will need to organize your business record. Buyers want transparency, so make sure you have these documents ready. Profit and loss statement, tax returns from 3 to 5 years, record of client visits, recurring services and payment history, inventory and equipment list, employee payroll, roles and certifications. Now it's time to make your practice as appealing as possible. Buyer want a business that can run smoothly from day one and focuses on retaining experienced maintainers, technicians, and supporting staff, upgrading or maintaining equipment, assuring positive relationship with clients. Client certification and staff registration are critical for the successful transition. Let's talk about finding the right buyer. Potential buyer for the vet practice may include individual veterinarians, experting for their operations, veterinary groups considering clients, private investors interested in healthcare and pet services. Pre-screen buyer to make sure they have both the financial resources and a vision for the managing your practice. Making your practice effectively a key to attracting serious buyers. Prepare an offering memorandum that include an overview of your practice history and achievement, revenue trends and services breakdowns, client demographics and retention rates, key employees and their roles. A broker can help maintain the confidently and contract you and qualified buyer. Once you have attached offer, it's time to negotiate. Buyer might propose different deals to structure it, including asset sale where they purchase your equity, sale where they take ownership your entire business entity, and out agreement where the part of the payment is tied your practice future performance. Be prepared to address buyer concern about the client continuity and staff retention and ongoing cases. Now it's time to finalize the sale. Buyers will perform due diligence by reviewing your financial compliance records and other contact. Make sure everything is in order. Work with a legal expert to draft and review key agreements, including the purchase contract, non-compete clauses, and a transition plan to introduce the new owner to client and staff. Let's quick do a recap for the step to sell a veterinary practice. conduct a professional valuation, organize your business record, optimize your operations, identify the qualified buyers, and market your practices strategically. Negotiate a fair deal, finalize the sale, and plan for the smooth transition. Don't forget to plan for the life after the sale. Consult a tax advisor to minimize liabilities and maximize your after tax profit. Whether you are retiring or reinvesting in or starting a new business, having a financial plan is crucial. Do you have more question about selling a veterinary practice? Drop your thoughts in comment box. In this video, help you hit the like button and subscribe for the more business advice. Thanks for watching. For a free consultation with our recommended broker, check the link in the description. See you in the next video.